Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's edition of Mortgage Minute. Today we're just going to talk about an appraisal and how it affects your loan. Appraisal affects a few things as far as the selling of the home, but it really affects primarily the mortgage. We're going to use an example. Appraisal is, if you don't know what that means, it means how much is the house worth. So say you're buying a $500,000 house and the appraisal comes in at $500,000. Everything's fine. What they use appraisal for is to determine the value so they can determine the calculation for your down payment and everything else. So if you're going to put 5% down on a $500,000 house and it appraises for that, then you're going to put your $15,000 down and they're going to loan $485,000. But if your house that you're buying or looking to buy appraises for $450,000, then they're going to reduce that down. Now you can't sell the house for more than $450,000 as far as the loan is concerned. So that means that either you have to put more money down or the seller has to reduce the selling price. The only time, and usually it's a negotiation or the deal falls apart, but usually it's not $50,000 on a $500,000 house, but it can be, it can be $10,000 usually. But most of the time, if you have a good realtor on the selling side, the listing agent, and they really do their research, you shouldn't have a problem. And if you have a good realtor, you're going to know ahead of time, hey, you know what, these people are asking more than what they should for this house, so expect an issue at appraisal. This shouldn't be a surprise to you. Sometimes it is though. So the good news is if it appraises for value, say in this case $500,000 or more, then you have no problem. If it appraises for more, it doesn't affect your loan, other than the only thing it really affects is the fact that you gotta, you really know that you got a good price on the home. But if it comes in for more, they're not gonna lend more on it because you've already determined the sale price. So you can't change anything. It just is what it is. The only time it starts to change the numbers is if it comes in lower. So be prepared for your appraisal. Make sure that your realtor knows what they're doing. And we can talk more about this later with any questions you have on the DMs, or give me a call. But appraisal in a nutshell. And thanks for watching this week's Mortgage Minute. More to come next week.